Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Okay, good afternoon. So what's going on, Prateek?
Ma'am, nothing. Just as usual,
So how?
doing college stuff.
Okay, so how was your exam that day? You told me that you were preparing for one of your exam that was there.
Pretty.
Okay, all right. I think Soumya, she has not connected. If you want, please do share the link to her also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. So actually, the session how we are doing, Amit, is like we are having the
Yeah.
we make a group here and we are doing the discussion all together. Not only one to one communication we are doing. Like you can ask question with the Pratik also, and you can ask the question with me also. So we are doing the conversation, our conversation going on like all together, not one to one. I mean to say.
Okay, okay, no problem. It's no
Yes,
problem.
yes. So, may I know about like what you are doing, Amit? If you explain us
Yeah, yeah.
about.
Let me introduce myself. Yeah, I'm Amit. I'm from Calcutta.
Mm-hmm.
Nowadays, I'm practicing in district court at Calcutta.
Okay.
And why I am here, why I am trying to enhance my fluency in English
Mm-hmm.
because nowadays I have some matters in other states also.
Okay.
And what is going there in the other district court, all all our colleagues and all the judges in the other district courts,
Mm-hmm.
they are using only their native language.
Okay.
And I have some mates in Kerala and Bangalore
Mm-hmm.
nowadays.
Mm-hmm.
And I have been there twice in Bangalore, and I had lot of problem there.
Okay.
They
Because
are using they are only, yeah, they are regional languages, and I couldn't get a single word from
yeah,
them.
yeah. Kannada actually they
That's
are
why
speaking.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. That's why I have only option to
Mm-hmm.
speak in
Yes,
English.
yes, yes. Even most of the
That's
people
why,
who. Yeah.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes, most of the
You're
people
saying
even
something.
yes, yes, most of the people when they go to the Bangalore, so the same problem all of them are facing, and when they return, definitely they are going to speak a little bit English because they must have to speak with them.
Exactly,
Yeah.
exactly. That's
Okay.
why, and not only that, it's only beneficial for me.
Mm-hmm.
And as I told you earlier, I have the little bit hunger of the other language also.
Yes, yes, that's nice that you're doing.
In spite of we are preparing all our documents in English,
Mm-hmm.
but we are using only Bengali in our court.
Yeah.
Not only me or not only my colleagues, the judges who are sitting over there also,
Okay.
because they are from their uh, they are sit from our fraternity, from our
Mm-hmm.
same colleges.
Yeah.
That's the problem.
Okay. All
That's
right.
why I nowadays from last since last year, I found here and there to whom I speak.
Mm-hmm.
Because if you want to speak anybody in your area or at your home, nobody will agree with you.
Yeah, yeah, obviously. That is why I thought to
Yeah,
make this platform and where we can communicate, and we can actually we will not find, we will not ashamed of speaking something if might let's say if we speak some wrong word, okay, or we did mistake.
yeah,
So that time we will not ashamed that we know that we are in the front of the person. They are also learning. We are also learning. They can correct us, and sometime if they do mistake, we will correct that. Okay.
yeah.
Yeah.
That is the way. That is the way. And what about Pratik? Pratik is here, na?
Yeah, Pratik, do explain to Amit.
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are
Yeah, yeah,
audible.
yeah, Pratik.
Okay, so basically, I reside in Chhattisgarh.
Oh yeah.
I am a CPL holder. I done my CPL and I'm from Giants Aviation, and I done my Airbus A320 and 17 feet typewriting from Berlin, Germany. And now I'm pursuing my engineering in BTech from IIT.
Okay, you are engineer.
Yes.
Most of the,
Not
most of the Anita, most of the students they're coming in our platform. Most of them, all the engineers.
Yes.
But I have never seen any kind of our same fraternity.
Mm-hmm.
But most of the you have seen, the videos who are posted in their YouTube channel, most of them from coming the engineer or civil engineer.
Actually, the
I think
problem is that, you know, like when a person belongs from the, you know, medical field, so they only get an option for to go to the medical field, or like MBBS entire thing they will be doing. But I think as of now, engineer are the one who can, you know, who can enter in any field, because
yeah.
yeah,
But out of 100, 95 are engineers.
yeah.
Yeah,
Because
exactly.
they are not getting the, you know, exact platform as per their requirement or as per their wish. They are not getting such platform, so they thought to,
Exactly. Exactly.
yeah.
Yeah, tell me something about your. Could you please explain something about you, Mita?
Amita, I'm also engineer. I would say that is why
Oh
I'm
my
laughing.
God.
Actually, I've also done the BTech with electronics, and I've been experienced of 3 to 4 years in the corporates. I worked in
Okay.
the Tech Mahindra,
Okay.
and I worked in the companies where I was working as a, you know, HR, BDM. So even also currently I'm doing working as a freelancer, working from home, and I just,
Okay.
yeah, fetch some projects for the different companies with whom I am in the tie up with them. So that is, I'm doing the freelancing from my home, and this is my work. And I thought, like, somewhere I find issue, because I can easily, you know, talk with the clients, but sometime if one it comes to the discuss with the, you know, some personal talks, and to become so friendly, that time I do stuck little bit. So I thought, why not we can make a platform, and we can, you know, whatever the mistake we are having, we can be confident, and we can easily communicate all together and improve. Yes.
I have seen your videos. You are too much fluent in English. You are too much. You have a good hold, Rohit. I must say
Yeah, just actually the
you
thing is
have a
that, you
good
know,
hold.
this time actually it's a corona and pandemic time. You know, most of us, you know, we feel so alone, and after doing our job also we get a lot more time, right? So I thought, why not, most of the people they are depressed at this time. You know, at least they can share their thought, and we can, you know, just in this group we can discuss, and we can calm other also, what's their feeling, and entire thing we can discuss, and we can have the fun over this video conferencing call.
Fantastic,
Yeah.
fantastic. You have chosen a good way to connect the people with each other.
And this is the
And
thing, we are connecting with the
you know
multiple
you are,
people.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
And not only that, through this system, today onwards, whoever I meet on today, you are also my extended family.
Mhm.
Mita or
Yeah,
you
yeah,
and
right.
yeah, Pratik
Yes,
and some Singh,
yes.
Somya. What
Only
about
I
Somya?
know about one person in Bangalore. She's my one of the bestest friend we can say, name Shayanti. So as of now, she's residing in Mumbai. So she was from the,
Okay,
you know, Bangalore only. So I found the second person in the
okay,
Bengal, right? Not Bangalore, Bengal.
okay.
So I think like you are the second
Bengal,
person,
yeah.
yeah, you are the now second person to whom I can easily
From
say that I
from
know one.
from from Bengal, from Bengal.
Yeah, she's from Bengal. She's
Yeah.
Bengalan. You know, like
Uh,
any word she just say, keeping her mouth in like oval shape, like you know what we Rasagulla entire thing.
you know,
Yeah,
where I am resides nearby the Mamta Banerjee home, and my home is nearby,
yeah.
just
Okay,
20 minutes far away from my
okay, okay.
flat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I like their language. You know, they are just speaking, making mouth in the like keeping it as a oval shape and entire thing, hot. You know, as like that kind of the things they are speaking. Uh, like anything they speak, just end with the O shape.
Do you know Bengali language? You
Uh,
can understand. Can you
I
understand?
I can not completely, little bit I can understand.
But I must say, Bengali language is a lovely language. You know.
Yeah, yeah, and they are so, you know, like when they speak, it's literally like, as you know, so sweetly they are speaking. Yeah.
And that's why I'm a language hunger. I learned a little bit. I told you earlier, a little bit Telugu
Telugu.
from. Have you seen one guys in YouTube? Youngster Pradeep. He's a young guy. and he's from a native rural area. I told him, I'm your student.
Okay.
Please tell me something about your language. Well, sir, you want to learn our language? And of course I want to. And I learned 12 or 13 sentences.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
I knew I
Le-
know Punjabi even because my father is an army, so we were having the posting
Okay.
on yeah, we were having the posting multiple places, and we went to the Punjab for 3 years. So there we spent time, so I can easily understand the language of Punjabi. I can speak even, and writing comes a little bit. I can write, but yes, I can easily understand Punjabi and I can speak as well.
But Punjabi language is also a lovely language.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
must
I
say.
like the Punjabi songs even.
Lovely language. Yeah.
Yes. In a
Telugu like that. How are you? They're saying like this Bagu Nara.
Bagu Nada.
And Bagu Nara.
Bagu Nada. Okay.
And yeah. And answer will be, yeah, I'm fine.
Okay.
The answer will be like in Telugu, Bagu Nano.
Okay. All
Bagu
right.
Nara, how are you? Bagu Nano. Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay. All right, Soumya. So, how was your day today?
It's quite good.
Okay. And anything else? Like in this session, you both were just joined, and me and Amit sir, we are just continuously speaking, and I want you to
No,
also.
no, no. Not sir, not sir, not sir. We are, Mita, here is no sir.
Okay. Okay.
We are all learner here,
Yes. Yes.
All we are learner here. We are learning from each other.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's
All
all.
right. All.
No sir, no student. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So Soumya and
Welcome
Pratik,
to your
yes,
Soumya.
I want you both also just be the part of this conversation, and you can also ask all together. He's from Bengal, and you can ask about the Bengal if you want to know something. So we are here to just just interact with each other. So let's do that, and
Yes,
let's make
exactly.
this session like with lots of fun, and we can discuss the entire thing, and we can yeah, what's our motive to come here is to do the practice, not to come just listen here. At least speak, and you can speak well more than us, Pratik, I can say.
Yes.
Soumya, Soumya, before starting our conversations, could you please explain yourself about yourself because I am new in this group today.
Okay, sir. So, as you know, my name is Soumya Singh. I'm from Jaunpur
Okay.
and I'm pursuing my diploma from computer science.
Okay.
And after that, I will just want to go for my BTech.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fantastic. And why are you join this group? Why are you want to improve your English?
Definitely to improve my communication skill.
Yeah, you are telling in good way.
No, sir, I'm not speaking good way. Actually, my grammar is too weak, and
First of all,
that's why.
don't think that your
Yeah,
grammar is
yeah.
uh,
Don't think your grammar. Yeah, here
yeah.
Mita is here because Mita have a good hold over the
No, no,
English
not that.
as well. Yeah,
Not
English
that
as
much.
well the spoken English also. Yeah.
Not that
So
much
don't
even.
I must say don't focus on the grammar portion at the first
Yes.
But
because if
sometimes
you
times it's required, and I made a silly mistakes in grammar.
I do also, mate.
me too.
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
I'm also not so good in grammar. Sometimes when I have to use, head, that time I might, sometime I use has and have. So yes, we are like not the native from this we can say English background, right? So we have in India different language we know, and in our language we are so much comfortable. So in English we are just learning. So don't focus on the grammar, just speak. That is more important.
And
Yes.
regarding myself, I want to. You are here, na? Pratik? Yeah.
Yes.
Uh, listen, I am here in Calcutta. I am from in a native village in Mindapur. You know, and it's a small village. You will be surprised after hearing there. Till eight, till the eight, when I
So you
were
have
in eighth class, on those days in our village there were no electricity at all. We have completed our education through a lantern, and in the year 1992 I left my village and shifted in Calcutta for our higher studies. And I have completed my graduation as well as my own law degree in my own, because at that present moment my father was not that condition to help me out from our education or something like that.
Yeah, it means completely you were self-reliant for your education and entire thing.
Yeah,